So today I'm going to be flying Peewee number 1 and 2. This is Peewee number 1. Let's see how he is. It's like over a year that I've been through him. Hi Peewee, this is Peewee number 1. Hi Peewee. He's flying good. Today's finally a perfect day for flying. No wind at all. Uh-oh. What happened? Peewee lost control for a second. Peewee, stay low. Don't go up too high. Come here. This Peewee number 1. My first Globemaster. He had engine trouble, so I switched computer chips with Peewee number 2. And I put it in Peewee number 1. So far he's flying okay. Maybe because there's no wind. Finally, no wind. Hi, Peewee. Alright, come in for a landing, Peewee, slowly. Oh! Peewee! Okay, I'm flying Peewee 2 now. I flew Peewee 1 before. And now Peewee 2 has the new computer chip. Okay, ready? Here goes. Hi, Peewee 2. Alright, so I just finished flying Peewee 1. I put Peewee 2's computer chip in Peewee 1, and now Peewee 2 has the new one in. I think Peewee, the first Peewee for some reason flies better, more straighter. Peewee 2 does loops. I gotta figure out why. But what a day today, it's perfect. No wind, nothing. Yeah, he's going up too high. I need to figure out why. Something needs to be adjusted. Jane is going up pretty high with Scarlet for change. So far it's good. I think that's the highest she ever went. Peewee, don't go up too high. Stay low. Alright, go out and come in for a landing. You'll find a smooth surface. Guess over here. Oops. Oh, what happened there? There's no wind. Oh, that was a smooth landing.